Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have the AirPods 4 here, and of course I'm going to show you today how to use the cool features of this. So one of the cool things about the AirPods 4 with ANC, which is active noise cancelling version, is that it comes with a speaker at the base. So of course the speakers will allow you to use these to be found. So it has basically like a AirPods. It's almost as if you have a Airtags 2 built in. All right, so I have a Airtags 2 here, and the features are very similar in terms of the device itself act as a free AirTag. You usually attach these to yourself or to a bag or whatever it is, or maybe you have them in your bags. They do almost act like a AirTag 2 that you get for free built in. All right, I'll show you what I mean. So of course, if you use the Find My feature, you can actually sound these and actually track them down. I'll show you what I mean in a second here. So we're going to go to Find My. And of course, the Find My allows you to find your devices. We're going to go ahead and launch Find My. All right, so if I swipe down, mine is like this because I've extended it. The map is in the background, but usually you'll see it scanning for my various devices. So if you look around here, you'll see Apple AirPods, and it says it's with me. So with the Apple AirPods, if for example, here, make sure that you're on devices. So tap on devices tab. And of course, you can always get it like mine by swiping up. The map will be in the background. I'm simply not blurring out or obscuring my map. All right, so you can see here, go ahead and choose your AirPods. All right, so instantly I'll blur sections of this. You will see that it gives you a bunch of options. All right, so right here, if I hit play sound, all right, and they're pretty loud too, so it does play sound. If you get the regular ones, which I do not recommend, the regular just AirPods 4, they're cheaper, but you'll miss out on a lot of cool stuff. All right, and if I can hit Find Nearby. All right, so I'm gonna place this a little bit out of range. So I'm gonna hit Find Nearby. All right. So it says it's within range, and if I move this back a little and I'm trying to move, it will track it down. Of course, it's right here, so it will instantly find it, and it says within reach, so you get the idea. And it can find it and it can track it down to wherever it is. You can actually sound it and so on. All right, so let me go back. All right, so definitely a cool thing to have. So just in case you did not know how to use the Find My feature, you can actually use it with your AirPods 4 with ANC. And of course the regular one, which is just the 4, you can actually do it as well. So you can actually sound it, you can actually use a track and tracking to find it and track down your AirPods. Sorry, yeah, your Apple AirPods, that is. All right, so I do hope that was useful in terms of using your device to be tracked down. All right, so see you in the next one, guys. Bye.